Good morning Philippines. Una karon sa Pukot Kitchen diri sa Manila guys because karon ang launching ni Ma'am Journeyscapes with Mama Ludi. Woo! Tara guys, atong tanawon guys. Pukot. Wow, very nice. Morning. Ay, sorry. Thank you. Hey! Wow! Congratulations! Morning! Kanina ba kayo? Lama. Hey! Bunal Choy!
Sir Jim. Ako yung Rose sa Ballesteros is from San Carlos City. Katong Swerte Hotel. Si Jordan na yung father of the kasi. So, okay yung the president. We have the vice president. Huwag ni president. Ang OG.
Isama natin yung mga joke.
The great migration. Yeah, that's on the eastern part, right?
Yeah, East Africa. Yeah, it's in the Serengeti, which is
Serengeti.
west coast sector.
You've been there, right? Serengeti? You've been Serengeti City?
I mean, the KTVs in Parañaque.
Paranaque.
Welcome to the launching of my talk show, Journeyscapes with Ludi. I'm so happy to be here. This is actually a simple celebration, but I would like to believe this is full of love because I'm surrounded with my media friends. Thank you very much. And of course, my partners, sponsors, and friends. So, let me just acknowledge who are here today. Alan Ballesteros of Info Cebu. William of Finito Wonders.
Africa.
Kung sige, yung nga kanang sana i-bounce pilar kana ba? Nagtatawag na ko niya, tawag na ko ha, day po ka. Jim Trazo of JMT.
Present. Hey,
And then Carlo Andrew Olan of
Kalami, Cebu. Euro.
Nakadaog sa Cebu Pacific na dance contest in Manila. Grabe. There's a lot of beautiful photographs around. It's because of Sir Dodi. He's also an international acclaimed photographer. And he also owns a company, Migo Expedition, will provide you the ultimate safari experience. So later on, pag-anak ko siya moment to
You will bring us to Africa.
I will. Which at that time in South Africa was already quite expensive. That's why I could only do like 3 nights, especially since I was bringing my kids. But I came back. I came out of South Africa wanting to go back. Then in 2016, a friend said, "Hey, we're going on safari. We're going to go camping from Botswana to Zambia." Would that be
Kalami. Saan siya, Megs?
Pumpkin soup, sir.
Pumpkin soup. Thank you so much. Salmon pasta. This is actually my first time diri sa Pukot Kitchen and I've heard a lot niya. Lamig gid daw ni siya diri guys. So, aron tilawan guys. Nasa like daghang deserve foods karon. So, nasa like tuna pasta. Very tender and soft ang kwan. Pasta lamig kayo niyan. Malasahan nimo ang distinct taste sa tuna. And I think this is pork siguro. Burger or something. Lamig kayo. Oo ba?
Okay na pego.
For USD.
So, ang ilang i-arrange is na safari lang and siguro di hotel. Oh.
Hi, Ma'am Luz. How are you?
Hello, I'm great. Thank you for coming.
Yes, and congratulations. Finally, ma'am, nag-launch na ganun mo Journeyscapes with
Oh,
Ludi.
lagi.
How do you feel man, ma'am?
Well, I feel so happy, very great. Overwhelming love and support from media friends like you, from my partners, from my sponsors, from friends. Grabe, this is something I never imagined you'd be told before. So I kept on telling myself, nga, Ludi, you are grateful, but still, I want you to be grounded. So I want to make sure that I'm still grounded.
Right.
Oo. So yes,
Wow, nice.
really, heart, kanang giingon nila nga, heart in the sky, feet on the ground. Yes,
Wow, nice.
that's how I feel right now.
Okay, so nalang ko yung mga few questions, ma'am, no? Kaya, of course, saba man sa sulod. So, once again, congratulations. And ma'am, how do you see yourself 3 or 5 years from now?
Oh, that was actually being asked to me, a few times. And again, I used to be a control freak. Really making some plans. I'm an event organizer. I'm a planner in blood. But because of my experience, like this is something I never imagined before. I would say I would like to strike a balance wherein I don't want to pressure myself. What could it be? Because things will just get unfold. What I want to focus on is how to be very good at my craft, not necessarily being very fluent interviewer or sharer, because it can happen. Magasayop yung pronunciation, magasayop yung grammar and all. But I want to make sure that I have that connection. I think connection is very important to me because no matter how great you are in speaking or in talking, but if you are not able to make that connection, you cannot get the answers or the sharing that you want to get out of that interview. So I think making the other person feel comfortable with you, making them feel safe, even if it's put out there public, I think that's something that I really want to sustain and continue doing and really good in that craft.
Okay. And then, ma'am, another question, ma'am. How far can you go?
What do you mean, how far?
Like, maybe you see yourself, maybe ikaw na po interview sa Hollywood or something, or maybe nag-interview kag mga artist now. How far can you go, man, with your the thing that you're doing right now?
I would say, that's one thing I'm blessed with. I have a network. I know of a lot of people that can really bring good stuff on the table when it comes to sharing. So that's one that I rely on. And I think I also mentioned it a while ago that being on the TV would be nice. We never know that someday we will get invited as we grow, but that is something that I don't want to focus on. That would be an award for me. But meantime, I want to make sure that I do good in my craft. I have the credibility. I have the integrity. So, for example, this is a collaboration because this is a talk show collaboration with partners and sponsors. I want to make sure that if I bring in them, if I collaborate with them, I'm walking the truth. There's a truth in advertising wherein like I'm using also their products and their services and I'm walking the talk. And this is nice thing about Journeyscapes with Rudy because you become more intentional in your thoughts, in your words, in your actions. Because somehow you become a public figure now. Somehow you put out your thoughts, your insights, and you cannot, do away that people will make some judgment of you. But it's not my concern. The judgment is not my concern because again, people evolve. I commit mistakes, but I make sure that I can, that I repent on that and make sure that moving forward, I will not be able to do the same mistake. So it's really helping me to become a better person because now I know that I have responsibilities. I have accountabilities.
Ma'am, thank you so much. And ma'am, one last lang yun, no?
Okay, sige.
Okay. I'm pretty sure, ma'am, I see myself as we as friends nga, kalabang, you really are doing your kanang love of passion din, ma'am, ba? Without anything in return, ba? Asking in return. So, ma'am, I'm pretty sure that sooner, as you go on with your journey, with your episodes, nagi kay mga followers, ma'am, nga ganahan pod, nga mahimo pog ikaw someday. what are your messages on those people and to encourage them nga may mo ikaw someday? And also, ma'am, please do invite them also.
Okay, thank you for that. You know what? I think all you have to be is to be self-aware. First, have that self-awareness. What is your intention? If you want to go or to take the steps that I have now, what is your intention? I want you to make some self-reflection. Is that for fame? Because I tell you, if you're going to do that, if you're doing things for that, you'll just get disappointed. Because not everyone will like you. Not everyone will love you. And not everything that you do might be, satisfying for other people. So start with the intention. Is it really something that you really want to do or love to do? And then look around. Are there people who are supporting you? Because I tell you, this is not a one-woman show. This is a collaboration of everyone around me who have been supporting me. Moingon yun ko, kung wala mo, wala sila, Journeyscapes with Ludi will not be here. My heart is so full of gratitude, deep gratitude of the people. Moingon yun ko, oy, wala yun ko, di yun ko makita mo sa mapa. It's because, and looking back, it's probably because of the relationships I have built. Again, gamay pag yun kay akong followers, and yet, moingon na nga, kabanggan na gud nimo, you have a billboard, you have a beautiful studio. Yes, it's really true. So, Mona, thank you, good kayo, Sir Jim, for helping me
Yeah,
in
sure.
increasing my followers.
Sure.
And I look forward to more collaborations with you.
Yeah, so and finally, please to invite our viewers, ma'am.
Oh, hi, friends. Okay. If you are looking for something to inspire you, stories of hope, follow Journeyscapes with Ludi. We are on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and soon in Spotify. And also follow my friends like Jim, GMT Mindset. Pareha na gyud mi og mga kat. I tell you, nanlain lang ang among approach, but it's basically the same. We are here to inspire you. We are here to help you. We are here to collaborate you. Let's make this world a better place to live. Let's spread positivity. Let's spread love and joy. Thank you.
Exciting. Thank you so much, ma'am. God bless and more power.
Okay, God bless you too.